Hey business owner, this video would show you the ultimate toolkit that would aid your business growth in this year 2025. The tools in this toolkit will change the way you operate. It will save you time, and guess what? It is going to boost your profit. We will segment these tools into 4 categories, and in addition to these 4 categories, I will be giving you a bonus at the end of this video that would make the whole job easy for you. Yes. So if you know that you actually want to change how you run your business utilizing these highly efficient tools, stick around to the end of this video so you see all the tools that I have in store for you. And if you are a new viewer on this channel, come on, do not hesitate. Ensure you subscribe to this YouTube channel and ensure that you like this video and also share this video so many other business owners can see this toolkit and use it for their business. So what are these 4 categories that we have just mentioned that would actually be segmenting this toolkit into, that would help you run your business in a highly efficient manner? The very first one of them is what we call the marketing tools. The second is the operations tools. The third, the financial tools, and then the security tools. Before we start with the first category, which is the marketing tools, kindly do well to subscribe to this YouTube channel if you have not already done so, and ensure you smash that like button if you are ready to get value from this mind-blowing content. So what tools do we have to unveil that would help you efficiently market your product or services? Well, the very first tool under our marketing category is no other than HubSpot. Yes. What is HubSpot? HubSpot basically is an all-in-one marketing hub that simplifies content creation for you. Yes. From social media posts to blog posts to video creations, HubSpot ensures that you stay relevant to your audience, and it also ensures that your content are engaging. It is a must-have for you, for your business to optimize its marketing strategies. The second we have on our list is Canva. Canva is a tool or a platform that empowers you to craft stunning visuals without you needing to be a graphic designer. Yes, with Canva, you can actually design mind-blowing flyers, posters, and banners. In fact, you can design PDF documents and also create engaging videos that you can use for promotions. So as a business owner, you can use Canva to its full advantage. The third tool in our marketing category is what we call MailerLite. Now, what is MailerLite? MailerLite is an intuitive email marketing tool that helps you build strong relationships with your audience. Yes, you do this through setting up amazing personalized campaigns that would show that you are connecting to your customers directly. So MailerLite not just only helps you create campaigns, it helps you set up automated emails that would help your audience convert to sales. This is one tool that you want to ensure you use regardless of whatever business or niche you are into, because it is something that would convert those leads to sales. The full usage of these 3 applications, in addition with the advertisement platforms that you already use, will definitely enhance your marketing and make it seamless for you. Remember the second category? This second category is the operational category. What tools do we have in our toolbox for you that can actually make your operations run smoothly? The very first tool on our list is a tool that we call ClickUp. Now, what is ClickUp? ClickUp, simply put, is a versatile project management tool that adapts to your workflow. Yes, it's a tool that helps you keep tasks organized, and it also helps you meet deadlines. The second tool that we have under this category is a tool that we call Slack. Now, Slack basically is a communication platform that centralizes team discussions. It enhances file sharing and also reduce email clusters. Yes, this tool enhances collaborations. So simply put, this tool ensures that the communication of all your team members are done in-house. There is nothing like communicating outside this platform. It is one tool that would ensure that your operations goes on smoothly. The very third tool we have under this category is a tool that we call Zapier. Now, what is Zapier? This is an automation tool that connects your favorite apps. Yes, it helps automate repetitive tasks and allows you to focus on strategic initiatives. What does this mean? If you have some tasks that you perform on a daily basis, this tool can help you automate it. So even when you are not there, those tasks will be performed. I'm sure you know how efficient your operations would be if these repetitive tasks are all automated. Guys, by leveraging these three tools I've just mentioned to you, you are going to create a more productive environment, enabling your team to work smarter and not harder. No doubt you are getting mind-blowing value on the content of this our toolbox. Yes, we have given you 2 categories and 6 mind-blowing applications or softwares or tools that you can use to enhance productivity. Are you getting value? Are you sure? Come on. If you know you are getting value, go down into the comment section below and ensure you let me know. Just say that I am getting value from this mind-blowing video. And after saying that, ensure you hit the like button if you've not done so and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Please, I'm begging you, subscribe, because that is the only way you show appreciation to us, that you appreciate this mind-blowing information that we are giving to you. Now we go over to the third category that was mentioned. What is this category? This is the category that would help you manage your finances in your organization. What tools do we have on our list that can actually help you manage your finances in a way that they will be highly organized? The very first tool we have in this toolbox is what we call QuickBooks. Now, what is QuickBooks? QuickBooks basically is a comprehensive accounting software that handles invoicing, it handles expenses tracking, it handles financial report, and it does all of these with ease. So you do not need to start having issues with your finance team. Once they are giving their report on the QuickBooks software, the software do all the calculation and gives you the entire profits and possible loss that you may have incurred. This is one tool that would help your finance team excel. The very second tool we have is called Wave. This is a free user-friendly platform that offers accounting, invoicing, and receipt scanning services. Yes, it is perfect for small businesses. So with this tool, you really do not need to get a scanner in the office. It will do all of these things I've mentioned for you, in addition to scanning documents for free. No doubt, it's a tool you are going to enjoy using. I'm very, very sure of that. The very next tool is a payment processing system that can help you collect payments from our local country, Nigeria, and all other countries. That is Flutterwave. This is a tool that has helped thousands of businesses collect payments nationwide. This payment gateway is a trusted payment processing system that facilitates seamless transactions. It does this for both in-person transactions and both online transactions. And guess what? As I mentioned earlier, it has so many currencies that you can process payments with. These 3 tools I've mentioned would ensure that your finances are all in check. It will ensure that you don't just make money, but you manage your money wisely, paving the way for growth for your business. And now we go over to the last category, which we call the security tools. These tools are meant to actually secure your business. What is the first we have on our list? It is no other than one tool that we call LastPass. Now, LastPass is a password management tool that securely stores and autofill your credentials on websites. Yes, it helps reduce the risk of breaches. Now, what does this mean? It means that it will be difficult for people to hack into your system and get vital information if you use LastPass. The very next tool I have on our list is Wordfence. Yes, this is a security plugin for WordPress website that helps to ensure that your website is highly secured. And the next we have on our list is what we call Time Doctor. Time Doctor monitors website usage, the time your staffs are spending on tasks, and it provides detailed reports on this task that your clients or your staffs are carrying out. No doubt, implementing these tools would help protect your business data and maintain trust of your customers. Now tell me, are you actually getting value from this video? If you know you are getting value from this video, please do well to let me know in the comment section below that you are getting value and that you are enjoying this valuable content that I'm actually giving out to you. And now, to the moment we have all been waiting for, the bonus tool I mentioned at the beginning that will transform your business in this year 2025. That bonus tool is a tool that we call OneMin.ai. OneMin.ai is an all-in-one AI platform that grants you access to all the major AI tools like ChatGPT-4, Gemini AI, Meta AI, and it does all of this without bothering you with different subscriptions of all these platforms. What do I mean? What I mean is that all these unique AI tools that helps you perform mind-blowing tasks, they require you subscribing to their pro plan before you get efficient use for them. But this tool I've just mentioned to you is a tool that has the integration of all these apps together right there on one platform. So whether it is images that you actually want to edit, or you actually want to write texts or generate copies for your products or services, or you actually want AI to generate videos for you, this tool is the tool that can actually help you do that all in one platform. I'm sure you know that we now have AI tools that can actually help you edit videos and also help you do what we call PDF management. OneMin.ai simplifies all these creative and administrative tasks. This makes it a must-have for your business. Now, how can you get access to this OneMin.ai? The link to this mind-blowing tool is in the description below. Do well to use that link, register, and start using this wonderful tool. There you have it. The top tools to fuel your business growth in this year 2025. Now, which of these tools are you excited to implement? Share your thoughts in the comment section below. And if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and ring the bell icon for more insightful videos from V.S.L Concept ICT Academy. Together, let's build the future of your business. Be rest assured that we are here committed to give you videos and content and information that would trigger growth for your business. I look forward to seeing you in our next video where I'll be giving you more insight as to how you can grow your business efficiently. See you in our next video.